What is up guys, this is Fact Circle. You're watching some random interesting facts, so let's move on to the video. Did you know believing you slept well even when you haven't improves performance? Fear of young people is known as ephebiphobia. Humans have jumped further than horses in Olympics. Some cats are allergic to humans. The stomach acids in the snake can digest bones and teeth but not fur or hair. Did you know Coca-Cola was originally green? One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Did you know honey doesn't spoil? If you like my video, please do subscribe. Copper door knobs are self-disinfecting. According to study, humans could become venomous. The cleanest water in the world is Malisani Lake, Greece. More human twins are being born now than ever before. Computers are powerful, but not powerful as our brain. In medieval Europe, a movement was exactly 90 seconds. Father built a wooden electric Lamborghini for his son in 65 days. It looks original and runs just fine. Like fingerprints, each human tongue has a unique print. Being alone for a long time is as bad for your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Did you know a squirrel uses its tail as an umbrella? The world wastes about 1 billion metric tons of food each year. Home Alone is the highest grossing comedy film of all time. Did you know Jack Black is the son of rocket scientist? Bruce Willis admits to taking drugs as a teenager. Did you know it takes 21 days to get into a new habit or to quit a bad habit? Our mind has ability to detect and sense danger. If your gut feeling tells something is wrong, never ignore that feeling. This is Albert Einstein's desk a few hours after his death. Armadillos have shells so hard that they can deflect a bullet. On an average, people fear spiders more than they do death. According to researchers, chewing gum boosts concentration. And according to UNESCO, North Korea literacy rate is 98 to 100%. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. It moves a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. Butterflies were originally called as butterflies. If you are trying to quit smoking, go to sauna bath 3 days in a row. You will sweat out the nicotine and it will be easier to quit. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ron Wayne started Apple Inc. on April Fool's Day. A Korean yoga master once escaped prison by slipping through a food slot in his cell. California king snake, dessert lunch bites back. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.